Hey everybody, Brian here from T-sportline. We've got our Cybertruck here, and I'm sure you have yours too, with wheels like this. No aero covers right now. The center of this wheel is raw, just like this. There's no center cover, and the silver lug nuts sit in there just like that. We've got two options for you. First is our entry-level kit, which is going to include center caps and lug nut covers. Center caps just snap in place. Lug nut covers just push on right over this lug nut. Now take a look up here what they look like on the wheel. So you fill in this hole and you cover up the lug nut covers. You've got the option of having just a plain black center cap, or we offer Cybertruck, Cyberbeast, or T-sportline vinyl decals to give you a little pop there. If you want something a little more, we now have a full coverage center cap that snaps in place. This is an OEM quality injection molded plastic part. This is not rapid prototype, this is injection molded. And the retention of this, we matched the factory Aero cover, so this is exactly how the factory Aero cover snaps in. Now, you've got two options with this. You can have the T-sportline center cap, or you can get it with a Tesla authentic center cap. The center of these is actually designed to accept any Tesla center cap. And our kit option includes factory Tesla center caps that we buy direct from Tesla. So what do you think? You've got two options to spruce up your factory wheels, and of course we also have a full assortment of custom wheels if that's what you want. All right everybody, hope you like these options. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot more Cybertruck upgrades coming your way.